3-4 for the rock rod going together. Mandy, Tyler's not painting that. Tyler, now if this was yours, would you paint it?
No.
You won't even see it.
Well, look at his hat, though. That's
Oh, there's the problem.
There's a cover plate.
Tyler and his fancy pipe removing tool. Oh, hold on, I've got a good video. There you go. He didn't show you really how it happened, though.
I don't think it's even big enough. Yeah, it's not even big enough.
Got his hose. We're back. We're gonna do a little gasket matching for a 3-4. Get rid of the turbulence out of there. All right. Now the fun part. We're gonna hog her out a little bit. Remember when you're doing this, you're just gasket matching. So you'll just touch in this area here. Just make that gasket match. There's no rough edges for the air to catch on. You're not porting this. Don't make these any bigger, just take that little edge off of it. Whoops. That's what happens when the $20 Harbor Freight special breaks. Hint, hint.
Manny, Papa wants some sandpaper. Could you ask Santa Claus for me?
I'm gonna leave the old gasket on so I have something to go by here. Now we're just polishing it up a little bit. Found this in the toolbox. This part will just take the rough edge off of it. close, you can see that black ring where exhaust is hitting now. So we're gonna grind all that out and then polish the manifolds. Get them to flow a little better. Okay, the manifold on the left, we polished and poured it a little bit, made it flow a little better. This is what you do when you can't afford headers. It'll help. Look, we cleaned it all up, made it bigger so the exhaust can dump into it. There's the ported, there's the unported. Here's about 2-3 hours worth of work. We fit all these, gasket matched, all this. We poured it and polished the exhaust manifolds. Now it's time to get them cleaned up, get them ready for install.